Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to turn off Safe Search on Google. First, click the three dots at the top right corner. Tap Settings. Scroll down and find Privacy and Security. Click Safe Browsing, then choose Standard Protection. After that, go back, then click Always use secure connections or use secure DNS. Turn it on. After that, click Done. In your search bar, search Safe Search. Click your Safe Search settings. Then make sure to turn it off. Then that's it. That's how you turn off Safe Search on Google. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.